Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac the Trader back with another video. Now, in this video, I'm going to be giving away $20,000 or your very own cryptocurrency portfolio cold storage. All right. Now, to enter the giveaway, all right, there are going to be instructions about midway through the video. So watch the entire video, go about halfway through. All right, and you should see instructions on how you can enter this giveaway. This giveaway won't last long, all right, and you'll be able to win either $20,000 crypto portfolio or $20,000 cash. Now, I know this can help out so many traders out there, from funding your accounts to paying your bills to investing into your future. I know that this can assist you, and my team and I are going to give it to you. All right, so to enter the giveaway, once again, there will be instructions about halfway through the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the breakdown. If you haven't already shared this with a friend, go ahead, share this with someone you know. All right, allow you guys as a group of friends to enter the giveaway. All right, then you'll have a higher chance of winning, and you guys can just split the profits amongst yourselves. Right? So with that being said, let's go ahead and hop right into the video. Feel free to go ahead and leave a like, share this with a friend. And in the description down below, if you want 500 free entries, I want you to leave a comment on how you found this YouTube channel and what type of content you would like to see moving into Q3. With that being said, I'll catch you guys. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be essentially breaking down this 22.29% trade taken on USD CAD. In a bit I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the before, where I called this out to my students last week on our live session. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut that in now so you guys can see the before. I would take my entry based on this candle actually. There we go. 2.6, so we round up to 3. Might as well cover this high. So 4.5, we'll say. And then easily look to cover. And now that you guys have seen the before, we're gonna go ahead and hop into the entire breakdown. This entry was taken on the M1 time frame. All right, so for those of you guys who miss me doing, lower time frame entries and things like that, I'm essentially going to go from top to bottom within this video and show you guys exactly how to take advantage of these trades and these moves. All right, so sit back, relax, and let's get into it. All right, so this trade essentially was pulled off of the macro H4 time frame. The reason why you're going to want to use the higher time frames is because it's going to give you an overall better understanding of which direction the market is trending in, whether that's an uptrend or a downtrend, right? We always start our analysis off on the higher time frame. So here we can see we have a valid H4 point of interest using specific rules that are taught here at Mac Trading Academy. If you would like to take advantage of those rules, and if you want a little bit more in-depth information regarding those rules, go ahead, head to the website www.mactradingacademy.com and check out our new trading bundles, right? And find out why our traders stay funded and continue to produce phenomenal results. So as you guys can see here, right, this was our H4 higher time frame point of interest, right? We can see that this area here sweeps liquidity. Then we have a break of structure here, which gave us the change of character we needed within the market in order to look for short positions here. I told all of my students, right, on that Monday that we were going to set an alert right here on USD CAD. Let's move it up just a little bit. There we go. Right now, our alert actually went off here when price first spiked. However, right, we did not take that as an initial trade because I wanted to see price actually tap into the point of interest, which is here, right? So if we start to make our way down the time frames just a little bit, all right, we can see a little bit more information on the H2 time frame where price didn't really tag us in here, all right? However, ran back to the upside to sweep liquidity here, all right, which actually gave us a reason, right, to start looking at this as a possible trading opportunity. Now on the H2 time frame, you can see that we do have a point of interest here, along with a little bit of this inside, showing us that supply is resting up here within the market, right? We also have imbalance, and we have that break of structure here. However, we were looking more so on the H1 time frame, which also provided us with an excellent point of interest to look to trade from. So the H1 point of interest that we see price give us after reacting to this area, all right, is going to be this region right here. All right. Now I am taking you guys through the time frames, right? So you guys can understand kind of how we look at the market and how we think about the market. However, right, usually whenever you have a macro point of interest with certain confluences that take place, you can go straight to your M15 time frame and look for a possible entry opportunity. The two-step method that I just explained is also taught in depth at Mac Trading Academy. So go ahead, purchase your bundle, become a part of the team, become a part of the family. And remember guys, you can purchase the bundle and pay for it later, right? So you don't actually have to pay for the trading bundle right now. All right, so head to the website and definitely take advantage of that. All right, so when price trades back up into this area here, all right, that's where we were looking for our reaction, right? We have an H1 point of interest here, and we were looking for a possible reaction here. However, we're going to go down to the M15 to get a little bit more information, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how my team and I took it.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mac the Trader, and my team and I are giving away $20,000 or a fully loaded cryptocurrency portfolio. In order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is click the link down below or go to mactradingacademy.com and purchase yourself a trading bundle. For every dollar you spend on a trading bundle, you will receive one entry into this huge giveaway.
With that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the markets as my team and I continue to produce phenomenal results and showing you exactly how we do so. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
All right, so if we're on the M15, right, we can see we have a better point of interest here on the M15, right? We can see that price runs up. We have a sweep of liquidity. We tap into our H4 POI here, right? And then price runs to the downside and gives us that change of character, breaking our structure here. All right, we have this point of interest, okay? Previous to that point of interest, we would have had this, and previous to that, we would have had this, right? So essentially, we're just following the mitigations that price is giving us. We have another mitigation here. Right? And we're looking for price to mitigate this last unmitigated POI here, right? That's what we're looking for price to do. We can see that this last POI, right, gives us the mitigation that we're looking for, right? And then we can see that price continues to run lower from there. We also have another concept, all right, that we've talked about on this YouTube channel before, which is inducement, all right? So we have a little bit of inducement here, right? And then price continues to move on. We also see here we have a little bit of imbalance. Now, all of these concepts that I'm going over, right, they may be going right over your head, but that is okay. Here at Mac Trading Academy, we break things down in the simplest manner and give you a complete trading strategy step by step to follow to be able to produce these results that you guys see here on USD CAD being 22.29% return. All right, so head to the website, check out the trading bundles that we have. No matter if you're a beginner, no matter if you are more experienced, or no matter if you are an expert in the markets, here at Mac Trading Academy, we have something for you, all right? So we can see later on, all right, price trades back up into this POI and we run to the downside. No entry was given here on the lower time frame for good reason, all right? Then we can see that price trades back into this area here, all right? Gives us a little bit of an entry, all right, and then runs out just a little bit. Remember, your job, after you gain access to Mac Trading Academy, your job is to simply apply the strategy, right? That's all you have to do. Apply the strategy that's taught to you, and you will be producing phenomenal results, all right? Let's use the replay tool just a little bit so we can go back in time and go down to the lower time frame and see exactly what I was telling my students to do. All right, so in this area here, all right, we know that this is an M15 POI. All right, point of interest. We're essentially looking for a possible M1 entry now that price is tapped into our M15 POI. We can see that we swept this liquidity here. All right, I'm just gonna get rid of that previous position. We swept this liquidity here. Nice move to the upside. And then price started to break to the downside. All right, once we had our change of character, which was here, all right, then we were simply just looking for price to trade back into our point of interest based on our entry method. All right, looking for price to trade back into this area, we simply set our stops right above these highs here. All right, on the live session with my students, before price had broken this area, as you guys saw in the previous video, right, we were expecting price to push to the upside, tap into our point of interest, and then continue to push to the downside after we took our position. That is exactly what happened. A little after the session took place here, and it was over, we finished up around 9 o'clock p.m., which was here, right? So around 9:01, literally a minute after we got off the live session, price tagged us in and then just completely melted, right? Continued to push to the downside. This is what you can expect being a part of Mac Trading Academy. Purchase your trading bundle, take advantage, and utilize the information that's taught in order to produce these phenomenal results. 22.29%. For everyone trying to hit 10% to pass their funded accounts, imagine what you would do with 22.29%. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up here. If you guys do have any questions, drop them down below, and be sure to follow the instructions within the commercial in order to enter the giveaway. Take advantage today. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Much love. Peace out.